Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send PayPal wallet money to a bank account. First, securely log into your PayPal account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet or Money section, which is usually found on the main dashboard. It's absolutely crucial to have your bank account already linked and confirmed within PayPal. This foundational step ensures a smooth, secure, and successful transfer process, allowing your funds to reach their intended destination without any hitches. Next, you'll want to select the Transfer Money option, which is typically prominent in the Wallet section. From there, choose to send funds specifically to your linked bank account, not another PayPal user. Carefully enter the exact amount you wish to transfer. You can send any amount from as little as $1 up to your entire available balance. Always double-check the numbers before proceeding to ensure accuracy and avoid any errors. Before finalizing your transfer, take a crucial moment to carefully review all the transfer details presented on your screen. Confirm the precise amount you are sending and meticulously verify that the correct destination bank account is selected. Standard transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete, so it's wise to plan accordingly for when the funds will officially arrive in your bank account. This review step is vital for peace of mind. Remember, standard transfers from your PayPal wallet to your linked bank account are usually free of charge, which is great news. However, if you need the money faster, an instant transfer option is available. This expedited service typically incurs a small fee, often around 1% of the transfer amount, with a minimum fee of 25 cents. Always check the specific fees displayed before confirming an instant transfer to avoid surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.